Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a FREEYOND M6 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'll show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one requires entering the contacts, so we can do it, for example, with the usage of the dialer. Let's tap on the contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So tap on block if you are ready. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that obviously you will not receive anything from it. You can unblock it the same way. So three dots icon and unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back and here the second option to block a number, it requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. So here we've got this general section and blocked numbers. So let's tap. And here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. We can tap on add a number and here manually enter it. So as you can see, you do not have to have your number, the number you want to block saved. Just enter it and tap on block and it will be immediately applied. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by using this switcher at the top. Just tap on it, activate it, and then your device will block all the calls. You can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher again, and you can unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.